Good morning, everybody in YouTube land. I want to show you the cutest thing. I see a honeybee here on the snapdragons, and it's the cutest thing how she snuggles her nose in so she opens the snapdragon, goes inside. Let's see if we can catch her doing it. I think she's just rearranging the pollen on her back legs right now, but we'll keep watching. There she goes. She's almost all the way inside. Oh, she came out again. Goodbye. So funny how when she goes inside, sometimes she turns upside down. There she's upside down again. And she's out. There's a crow up there in the tree, and he keeps looking down where the big trees that were cut down. And he's like bemoaning the fact that the trees are gone. I think he's saying, "Aw, aw." Here's one of my garden boxes. A couple weeks ago, I put some little pieces of crumbled up dried leaves in here, and look at, they've turned all black. and they're turning into soil. See, I'm just doing little experiments and things. I'm learning about these plants and soil and how to mulch and how to compost and all those things. Well, today I found some more dried leaves, so I broke them up, put them in here, and I also put some wood chips. It's the first time I've put some of the wood chips in my garden boxes. So we'll see how quickly they break down. They're supposed to hold moisture. We'll see. Well, we got our first real rain this year. Filled the little wading pool. This comes off the house. Boy, really full here on my trash bin. Now you can really see how I put the wood chips down there. And I left this open space here for the yellow flowers to grow. The drain is running pretty well, but you can see now that the wood chips have been wetted down, you can see where they are better. Everything seems to be going well. This is the area that I was going to try to get some kind of a trough, but I just put these other bins here to catch water. And you know, the water is so precious here in the desert that I'm just going to take these buckets and I'm going to water some of the big plants around the oleanders, the bottle brush, and those plants that haven't had very much water since last winter. So I know this compost bin got rain, but I'm going to put a little extra water in this compost bin. That's going to drain through, and worms are going to come up inside of there, and that's going to water this bottle brush tree right here. Bottle brush. The flowers after the rain. I think all the little plants enjoy the rain. From what I understand, the rainwater makes additional nutrients available in the soil that otherwise is not available to the little plants. So let's go around and back and see how much rain actually went through the bins, because during the night it was raining a lot, but I had them covered. So let's see here. The white bins down here we can see, or the white buckets we can see better. So that's how much rain actually went through and came out, drained out. Of course, that would include what was draining off of the chair and stuff too. And this one, about the same amount. It probably would have to do with whether the bin was already saturated before the rain. This one has a lot of water in it. Yeah, look at that. So that might mean that that bin was already pretty well saturated before it rained. And now to bask in the warm California sun. Let's check out how much rainwater came through on this one. About the same as the others. Okay, now for the moment of truth. I'm gonna open the shed. Let's see if the tarp helped. Yeah, usually this area is sopping wet after the rain. Doesn't look like anything came in through here, although the wall is saturated right there, and this part's saturated, but no apparent dripping inside. Yay! So our son was over visiting us during the holidays, and he said, "Mom, how come you don't get a new shed? I said, well, I hadn't really thought about it. But I guess it wouldn't be a bad idea. Ooh, I can't wait to see how much snow is on the mountains after this beautiful rain. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that good stuff this time of year. I wish you the best. Hope your 2021 is fabulous. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, and remember, adios. Mwah.